day, dear students. My name is Tlebaldinova. I am a PhD, lecturer of computer modeling and information technologies. Today's our lesson is smart technologies. This slide shows some history facts. For example, in 1968, German inventor Jürgen Detloff, along with Helmut Bradtrup, filed a patent for using plastic as a carrier for microchips. And, for example, in 1999, federal government began federal employer smart card identification. What does it really mean? Smart. The smart tag is being applied to an increasing number of products and services. But what does it really mean? The true meaning of the word smart is likely to be an electronic device or system that can be connected to the internet, used interactively, and is to some extent intelligent. IoT. Next term, Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a certain concept of the computer network of physical objects or things which are equipped with built-in technologies to interact with each other or external environment. Smart houses, smartphones, tablets, and almost anything can serve as an example of such a concept. These things are equipped with sensors, cars, industrial equipment, jet engines, oil derricks, wearable devices, and much more. All these things collect data and exchange them with each other. This concept is associated with the development of two technologies: RFID, radio frequency identification, and air and wireless touch networks. RFID, a method of automatic identification of objects in which, by means of radio signals, the data stored in so-called transponders or RFID marks are read or registered. This technology is well suited for tracking the movement of certain objects and obtaining a small amount of information from them. And wireless sensor network is a distributed, self-organizing network of a plurality of sensors and actuators interconnected by a radio channel. In addition, the coverage area of such a network can be from several meters to several kilometers due to the ability to relay messages from one element to another. This technology is used to solve many practical problems related to monitoring, management, logistics, and etc. Next, terms such as big data, blockchain, and artificial intelligence are part of smart technology. Blockchain is a technology of distributed storage of information which concerns any vital questions. The construction of blockchain is based on three main following principles: distribution, openness, and protection. Artificial intelligence is one of the sections of computer science within the framework of which the problems of hardware and software modeling are posed and solved. These problems concern these types of human activity that are traditionally considered intellectual. In researches on artificial intelligence, it is possible to determine two main directions: software pragmatic direction and bionic direction. Software pragmatic is engaged in the creation of programs with the help of which it is possible to solve these problems, the solution of which was previously considered to be exclusively prerogative of a person. This includes recognizing and game programs, programs for solving logical problems, searching, classifying, and etc. Bionic deals with the problems of artificial reproduction of the structures and processes that are characteristic for the living human brain and which are at the base of solving human problems. Within the framework of the bionic approach to the problem of artificial intelligence, a new science of neuroinformatics was formed, the practical output of which was the development of a neurocomputer, sixth-generation computers. Next slide demonstrates some products and technologies, some examples which group by the technological capabilities and innovations. For example, smart TV, smart baby monitor, smart board, smart buildings, smart glass, and so on. And in conclusion, I would to say that smart technology, it's a technology that uses artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data analysis to provide cognitive awareness to objects that were in the past considered inanimate. And some of the key benefits of using smart technology are as follows. First of all, convenience. Secondly, ensures sustainability. Security. Next, efficiency, and saves money and time. Thanks for your attention, dear students.